Okay, so we'll start with the Indian knowledge system. So, Indian knowledge system, the course objective of this subject is to impart the knowledge about basic principles of thought process, reasoning, and inferencing, to make students aware of Indian traditional knowledge systems, connecting society and nature, to acquaint students with holistic lifestyle of yogic science and wisdom in modern society with rapid technological advancement and societal disruptions. So course outcomes, we'll first concentrate on the course outcome, that is to understand the history of Indian education system. So for CO1, so in case of Indian education system, for CO1 satisfaction, we will see the Gurukul system. So in case of the Gurukul system, the Gurukul education system, the ancient education system of India, how the students were learning. So students were learning in case of Gurukul. So in case of the Gurukul, the Shishya, students lives with the Acharya and the Guru. The Acharya feeds him, teaches him, and treats him with the family. The Shishya students help the Guru in his day-to-day work and learns from his conduct as well. This is was the education was imparted everyone during the Vedic period of Mahabharata, Ramayana in the 18th centuries. So we can see the picture where the Guru is teaching his Shishyas in his ashrams. If we can concentrate more on this, they are learning practically rather than a theoretical knowledge. And the Guru teaches them how to practically implement this knowledge. So history of Gurukul system, it is very old periods. The Gurukul was existed since early Vedic period. It was the basis of the Varnashrama Dharma, which is the basis of Indian culture and society. If you can see the Gurukuls in Ramayana from Vishwamitra, Vashishta ashrams, there are many more, nothing but in case of Gurukuls in Ramayana. So in case of Gurukuls mentioned Ramayana, in addition to Siddhashram, Vashishta ashram and Vishwamitra ashram, there were many other famous ashrams that finds mentions in the Ramayana. Gurukul in the Mahabharata. We can say that in case of Gurukul in the Mahabharata, it was nothing but the Guru Dronacharya ashrams, where the Pandavas and Kauravas learned the Dhanur Vidya. So Guru Dronacharya Gurukul was one of the most famous ashrama mentioned in Mahabharata, where all the Kauravas as well as Pandavas learned Dhanur Vidya. We can see this Dhanur Vidya nothing but the military science. Now we can see it's a military science. That was the knowledge which was available in the ancient period also, which was delivered to their students. So these are some of the Gurukul systems. Who are the famous leaders of the Gurukul systems? They are alumni. So some of the books were written by the Guru, in case of nothing but the in case of Yoga Darshana, which was written by Patanjali, Samakya Darshana of Kapila, Vaishishka of Kannada, Brahmaputrita, etc. of Brahmagupta, Arya Bhatia by Aryabhatta, Lilavarti, part of Siddhanta Shiromani of Bhaskara II, then Brimat Shamita, Romaka Siddhanta, etc. by this. And all these concepts which are available in the books of Yoga, Samakya, atomic theory in Vaisheshika, arithmetic and algebra in Lilavati, astronomy and astrology by Brahmira, Pythagoras theorem by Sulba Sutras of Bodhyana. Why the destruction of Gurukul education came in existence? Due to the Islamic inventions, British period and independent India, the Gurukuls came in the destroy. After Mahabharata, we can say the Gurukuls started destroying. After Mahabharata, societal structure as well as education structure was distorted due to lack of intellectual power caused by large scale research and moving towards the Western culture. So British they started destroying the Gurukul system and they started with their own Western culture system of the learning. At the same time, the Islamic nations they totally rejected the Gurukul education. In case of British period, Thomas Munro, W. Adams Tibby, and G. L. Pendergast are some of the most prominent British names that studied and destroyed the Gurukul system bearing Litna. So in the important independent India, thinking modernity is nothing but equals to Westernity. Indian leaders of independent India didn't act much differently than the spiritual picture that is British. So objectives of the Gurukul system was nothing but it was a value-based and experimental education, character traits development, commitment to lifelong learning, and be a great teacher. So subject talks in the curriculum, they were nothing but in case of Gurukul were languages, Vedas and Vedangas, yoga and Ayurveda, history, Ramayana, Mahabharata, vocational training, and many more students were learning. Advantages of Gurukul system, prepare for life rather than only preparing for job. Very much important if they were preparing for life rather than preparing for job. Practical learning rather than a theoretical learning. Learning not limited to academic subjects. It is about the subject, about the thinking level also. So, can we have the Guru system in India? Yes, we can generate the Gurukul system in India. As per the NEP 2020, we can have the Gurukul system back in the India. Thank you for now. So, this was the Dr. Mahesh Demrani during the session on the Indian knowledge system as per the NEP 2020 policy. Thank you.